Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Uncommon Performance. I apologize for the late post. As most of you know, I just got married the other day and I was on my honeymoon, so I was not able to create any footage to post. So today's going to be a quick little video. I'm just doing this right now in the morning. Quick, it's just the lip install on the car. It should take maybe a half an hour or so. But I wanted to do something quick and get another video up for you guys to see and have some content for. And so I'm going to quickly get started on step one, which is anytime you're doing anything to your car, like I've said before, prep. Gotta clean it. So here we go. So this is just car wash and water. Nothing special. Just getting the dirt off right now. It was raining last night and I park over there, so all the sand and dirt and stuff drips up all over my car when it rains. Terrible, but I only have a one-car parking lot and I let the wife park here. So this, every time it rains, that's what my car looks like. Every time. But it's all good, because as long as she's happy, I'm happy. But I'm going to let that dry for a few minutes, and I'm going to go down to the basement and grab some rubbing alcohol, make sure there's no wax or grease or anything that's going to prevent the adhesion on this bumper. So when I come back, we'll be ready to clean and install. One thing I didn't do, check the fitment, see where it's going to be touching. So I'm just doing that real quick. Alright, so I have come to the conclusion I'm not going to be able to do this sitting on a stool. I'm going to have to do this laying down. So, I'm going to put the camera down right over here. I'm going to get my mat. Okay, so I've got to really figure out a new camera situation. The one I'm currently using keeps causing problems. So I've got some of the footage of doing the installation. Most of the footage was never saved because it got too hot and it decided to shut down. And when it shuts down, it doesn't save the stuff, the footage, apparently. But I got it on. It's on there. It was a huge pain in the rear end. This side went on nice and even. This side is about a 1/4 inch too short. So I had to pry and pull and pry and pull. Finally was able to get it on there. Looks pretty good. It's on there really strong. Like I can move it and it moves the whole bumper. I like it. Looks good. Whew. So yeah, that's that. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, let me know what you think of it, and check me out on my Instagram. I'll put that somewhere at the bottom here. And I'm gonna go cool off because I am dripping sweat right now, and it is not fun. You guys have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.